Hi students, welcome to the Aspn classes. So ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿವಸ ನಾನು PUC ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಮ್ ಮೋರ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತ ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ಗಳು ಇದಾವೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ 7.7 ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಯಾರು ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಬಟನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ 6 marks. Sorry, for 5 marks. See, these three derivations are there. These three derivations are very important for 5 marks. So derivation proof for 3 marks, attached question 2 marks, totally 5 marks question. So one by one I'm going to discuss these 3 derivations. So afterwards we'll discuss the 7.7 exercise, all example students. So let us start first. Okay, so these 3 are the very important results for formulas. First one, integration of square root of x square minus a square. So already you know that integration of dx divided by x square minus a square in root. Okay, so already you know, discussed in the previous classes, integration of dx divided by root of x square minus a square. What is the formula? You just observe here, log of mod of x plus root of x square minus a square, the same formula. So extra result will be there. So now we are going to discussing that same formula, integration of root of x square minus a square. So this will be in denominator, so we are going to applying that formula. Now we are directly going to take it, means so this is the formula. Again next one also same, just minus sign changes, plus sign changes. Then one more formula also you studied in the previous classes in 7.4 exercise, integration of dx divided by square root of a square minus x square. So what is the formula here? Sine inverse of x by a. Okay, so same result also there here. So now we are going to prove the remaining result. So when it will be coming in numerator, so now we are going to solve this complete formula, students. Okay, so let us start one by one. First one, integration of square root of x square minus a square dx. So now we need to prove this complete result. So again I'm going to say this is the 5 marks important question. So this derivation they are going to ask for 3 marks, attach one question, that is a 2 marks. Okay, so let us start one by one. So first one, integration of, so I'm going to take LHS result, integration of x square minus a square dx. Okay, so I'm going to take this result. So you observe here, so there is no number, it means I'm going to take here 1 dx, students. Okay, so now I'm going to applying the integration by parts formula. So here I'm going to take, this is the part, first part and second part. This is the first part and this is second part. Now I'm going to applying integration by part formula. What is that? First part as is. So this entire result I'm going to denote here I. So I continuously write first part as it is, integration of x square minus a square as it is. Next, integration of, wait a second. So now we are going to write first part as it is, x square minus a square. Integration of second part is 1, so dx, minus integration of differentiation of first part. What is the first part? Square root of x square minus a square. Okay, so again integration of second part, dx. So why you are going to write here 2 dx? So one part first integration, two integrations are there, so I'm going to keep the 2 results. Okay, sure. Next step, observe here, square root of x square minus a square, write it as it is. Integration of what is the answer? Integration of one answer is x. Okay, then minus integration, again you write differentiation of a root x. What is the differentiation of a root x formula? Differentiation of a root x formula, 1 divided by 2 root x, correct? So now I'm going to applying the same formula here, 1 divided by 2 root x. So 2 root x in the place, x square minus a square, correct? So now this is the extra part, x square minus a square. In the x place there is extra result, x square minus a square, correct? Okay, so now I'm going to differentiate that extra part again. X square differentiation is what? 2x, so right here 2x. Okay, so this is differentiation part is over. Then come to the integration of 1 is, again it is a x, so again dx, one more dx, write it here. So now observe here, 2 get cancelled. Then what are the remaining results? This, write it as it is, x square minus a square into x minus, so 2 get cancelled, means x into x, here is the multiplication sign, so x into x, it is x square, so write it here x square again whole divided by square root of x square minus a square dx. Okay students, now there is an important step in this derivation. So that should be, here is the x square. So now here observe, we need to take any substitution, whatever, it is not going to get this answer. So I'm going to take one substitution. What is that? Here it is a x square as it is there. So I need minus a square. So I'm going to subtract here minus a square. Whenever I subtract, it means we need to add, no? Then these two results are get cancelled. Again you get the same result. Okay. So let's check it now. Again, next thing is what? I'm going to take it a bracket here. Okay, I'm going to divide these two terms separately. Then what we get? Observe here. Again, I'm going to continue as it is. This result, first I'll write x, then x square minus a square, then there is a minus sign, write it as it is. Integration of this part entirely dividing here. X square minus a square dividing by root of x square minus a square. Correct? And then again middle sign will be plus, so better you take it a bracket because there is a minus sign, so better you take it a bracket. Again plus, again a square is there, so integration of, better you write dx, a square divided by square root of x square minus a square dx. Okay, so the next step, observe here. So again you write I as it is, x also as it is, x square minus a square you write as it. In this case, x square minus a square, I'm going to write 2 times root. Why? It means, observe here again, there is a 2, you can write here root 2 into root 2. Is it possible? Because root 2 into root 2, that will be root 2 whole square, then square root of square cancel, again will be get 2 answer. In the same 2 place, there is the answer x square minus a square. So you can write 2 times the entire part, integration, write it as it is, 2 times x square minus a square, again x square minus a square. So again remaining part write it as it is, because denominator again will be as it is, x square minus a square. This minus plus, here it is a minus, and here also write dx minus a square is the constant, friends, so take it outside. Integration of 1 into dx divided by root of x square minus a square. Okay, so this a square will be coming outside. Okay, so now why I'm going to write this 2 times, it means this entire one part will be get cancelled, so remaining only one integration of root of x square minus a square. Okay students, next take it now, x into root of x square minus a square minus, so remaining part integration of, one result get cancelled means again one more result will be remaining, x square minus a square into dx, again minus a square. So now can I take the integration formula? Already I'll discuss this one in the starting only. Here is the formula, integration of dx is equals to a square minus x square. What is the answer? So here this is the result. Okay, here it is a part completely, so I'm going to write that one. What is here? X square minus a square, x square minus a square, it means there is a formula log of mod of x plus root of x square minus a square. Okay, plus c, write it as it is. So now here observe, again there is a one term will be remaining, so this is already you denoted. See, observe, focus on this part. Okay, so here you observe in the question also the same result, already you denoted that I only, so it is a question, it means can I write here I only? So observe this properly. So this part is totally, I'm going to write minus I, correct? So because question again it will be repeated, question means again you do it one more time, integration by part formula, again it will be continuous process. So better I'm going to denote this part as a minus I, remaining write it as it is. These two results are write it as it is, minus I take it on right side. So minus I take this side, it means it is a plus side, friends, and remaining part write it here x root of x square minus a square, and there is a one more answer. What is that? A square log of mod of x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. So I plus I, this answer is a 2i, correct? Then 2 you shifted on this side, you get the final answer. Okay, I plus I 2i, no, so 2 it is into, so shifted on this side means dividing both the side. So here and here you need to divide, x divided by 2 square root of x square minus a square. Again here also you have to divide, a square divided by 2 log of mod of x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. So you just observe the result, x by 2 root of x square minus a square minus a square divided by 2. This is already you know the formula. Okay. Yes friends, so this is the fruit answer, same as it is next question answer friends. Okay, so let us check it now, the next result. Second one also, here you need to take LHS part. Again integration I am going to write, everything will be same here also, just sign only changes friends. Again you are going to take 1 dx, again integration by part formula. First part, root of x square minus plus, see the sign here, observe it properly, plus again integration of 1 dx minus differentiation of root of x square plus a square. Okay, integration of 1 dx. Okay, so now observe here, I is equals to, write it as it is, x square plus a square, integration of 1, again x, minus, again differentiation, same result, 1 divided by 2 root x square plus a square. So x square differentiation is 2x, a square again it is a 0 answer, 1 integration is x dx. Okay, I is equals to, so write it as it is, this part, a square into x minus 2, you need 2, again 2 to get cancel, x into x, what is the answer friends? Here it is x square is the answer. So in whole divided by square root of x square plus a square. So now this time we get x square plus a square. So now we need to take the same substitution. First you need to start plus a square, here you write plus a square, after that write here minus a square, over, and again you take it a bracket on this and dividing, same procedure. Last time whatever you do, the same method you need to continue. Okay, right here, first x root of x square, so first I'll write x and afterwards this answer, plus a square. Then minus integration of, so again you need to divide the same procedure friends. Directly I'm going to write, this is the one part, can I write here root 2 times, I'm going to write this one, root of x square plus a square, root of x square plus a square. Why I'm going to write it means, again denominator also you get the same result, no, x square plus a square. So if these two multiplied means again you get the single term. Last time already I've done here, just observe, this is the part. Now I'm going to take this 2 times, here single term dividing here, again I'm going to take 2 times, so better directly I'll write here this result into dx. Then there is a minus sign, and here also one more minus, minus minus, can I write directly plus, and this is the a square, so can I take directly outside constant here, and remaining dx divided by square root of x square plus a square. Okay, so now everything I think it is clear. So now observe, I is equals to x into root of x square plus a square minus, can I cancel this one part, so again it will be remaining the integration of x square plus a square dx plus a square as it is, again integration, so already you discussed, just sign only changes, formula as it is there here, log of mod of x plus root of x square plus a square. Last formula, here is a change, just minus sign, now it is a plus sign, so everything will be same. So again students observe, in this space you get the main question only. Okay, so can I write this part is I only again. Okay, so I'm going to write this result is I, it means minus I, so minus I, again you take it on this side, I plus I is 2i is equals to x root of x square plus a square, and then last one plus a square log of mod of x plus square root of x square plus a square plus c. Okay, so again you need to shift it 2 on this side, you will get the answer x by 2 root of x square plus a square divided by 2 log of mod of x plus square root of x square plus a square plus c. Okay students, now you compare with the result, there is no changes, just only sign are changes here. This is the plus sign, again here also plus sign, here also plus sign, and formula and proof everything will be same concept, the same result. Okay, okay, so next one I'm going to discuss this one more results, afterwards I'm going to start the exercise examples, these examples one by one I'm going to discuss it friends. So next observe the one more results, again I'm going to take LHS result, I is equals to integration of root of, here carefully you need to observe a square minus x square into dx, it means again I'm going to take 1 dx. Apply here same formula, integration by part. First part as it is, a square minus x square, integration of 1 dx, differentiation of first part. What is that? Square root of a square minus x square. Students, carefully you need to observe when by taking differentiation. Okay, integration everything will be same as it is the previous example, but here there is a changes. A square minus x square, integration of 1 is x minus differentiation of root x, again same as it is, 1 divided by 2 root x, matlab a square minus x square. So extra part will be there, a square minus x square. A square differentiation is 0 and minus x square is there. It is not only 2x, minus 2x. Okay, so it is a very important step. Now the next x result integration will be 1 integration will be x dx. Again here also 2 to get cancelled. Okay, now there is an important step. First I'm going to write x here, then a square minus x square minus integration of x into x. What is the answer? X square, and there is a 1 minus sign here already there. So and whole divided by square root of a square minus x square dx. Students, here carefully need to observe what we required, minus x square. So already we get minus x square. Okay, so don't disturb that part. What again one more requirement is a square, that is also plus a square. So I'm going to add and subtract that a square. Here I'm going to take adding and here I'm going to subtracting. A square plus a square minus a square get cancelled, again will be remaining the same answer. So then I'm going to take the bracket on these places. Okay students, all of you get understand this step. Okay, so now I'm going to again dividing these two brackets separately. I is equals to x root of a square minus x square minus integration of, what is the result here, a square minus x square whole divided by square root of a square minus x square dx. And here it is a minus sign, there is a one more minus, so minus minus the answer will be plus. Here also I'm going to take a square common factor outside, dx divided by in the bracket denominator a square minus x square. Okay students, so now observe again I'm going to take this part as a 2 times root. Okay, so now I'm going to take this one time here, again one more time a square minus x square. So that is very clear. Now I'm going to cancel these two results. Okay, so what are the remaining answers? X root of a square minus x square, again this is the minus, so remaining part is again question only students. So again repeatedly same step, so better I'm going to try directly, it is a I only, these two parts cancel, again remaining is I plus a square. So what is the formula of root of a square minus x square? It is a very simple, sine inverse of x by a plus c. Okay, so I, you need to take this side, I plus I is 2i, the remaining part x into a square minus x square, then remaining result a square into sine inverse of x by a plus c. So then you need to shift this 2 on the side. I'm going to erase this 2 shifted on the other, it means divided by 2, here also divided by 2. This is your final answer. Okay, just check it now. Main important 1 by 2 or x by 2 root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a. Okay students, is that clear? Is there any doubt? Then comment me in the comment box. X by 2 root of okay, so let's start the exercise. So these 7.7 only has 9 examples are the students, so you need to complete this 9 example. Starting 1-2 examples are simple, but then again we start with the 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. These are the we need to solve very carefully. Okay, again by using these 3 formulas only. So formulas are very important. So how to remember these all 3 formulas? I'm going to give one hint for observe here. So just you observing these 3 formula results, there is so many common factors are there. What are the common things? Here you observe in all the cases x by 2, x by 2, x by 2, it is repeated. And here also observe a square by 2, a square by 2, a square by 2, this is also compulsory unit, right? There is only sign changes in these 2 cases, plus sign, only one minus sign in the when constant will be negative, and the remaining results will be same plus sign. Okay, And this part you need to observe, students, carefully. What is the question you need to paste on this place? Again, these two results are as it is. Here also question will be repeated. Here also question will be repeated. Here also same question is the repeated. Here also question will be repeated. And these are already side answers. Already you know that when it is in denominator, this is the formula. Again here also formula. Again it is in denominator, it means sine inverse is the formula. Over. Okay. So here in this way only need to remember when by solving these exercise example, students. Okay. So I'm going to start first one question. First one question is again very simple question. Integration of a root of a 4 can I write here 2 square and x square dx. Now observe which formula you are going to apply. A square minus x square, there is the last formula. Okay, so what is the formula here? X in the place x only, so x divided by 2. You need to write question only, repeat, and then plus a in the place. What is the answer? 2. So 2 square, a square is the formula, so a square, it means it is a 4 divided by 2 sine inverse of x divided by 2. A in the place 2 is there, so plus c. Then you can cancel 2 ones are 2 2s are. So this is the last answer. X by 2 square root of 4 minus x square plus 2 sine inverse of x by 2 plus c. Just observe only this much, you get 2 marks. Okay, this is the only results. If you know formula, then it is a very simple formula. You don't know, it means again it will maybe getting difficulty. Okay, so again one more simple question is there in the second question. Here we need to make some arrangements. Root is there, 1 square also you can write. 4, it means I'm going to write 2x whole square, students. Again dx, again it will be repeat same formula. First constant a square and x square. What is the formula? First you need to write x in the place. What is the here? 2x, students. 2x divided by 2 according to that formula. And here again question only repeated, 1 minus 4x square, then plus a 1 only, so 1 square answer 1, so 1 by 2, then sine inverse of x will be 2x divided by 1 plus c. So in this case carefully need to take, observe here we are taking in x place 2x, so there is an extra part, so we need to differentiate. 2x differentiation is 2, so we need to divide. So first of all I am going to cancel these two results, and these two I am going to cancel 2 and I need to dividing entire part, whole part dividing by 2 is there. Okay, so first I need to cancel 2, it means again I will write this 2, it means this is x by 2. Again here it is a root 1 minus 4x square. When I am dividing this result means 2 to 4 is the answer. Sine inverse of just it is a 2x plus c. This is the last answer. Okay students, so all of you get clear this question. Next one, here it is the very important questions. Okay, so maximum students, all of you are waiting for these examples. Okay, see observe students, already I'll discuss this type of examples in 7.4 exercise. Okay, so what is here? Here there is a quadratic equation here. It is not getting perfectly square, so all the formulas are, you just once again you just observe here there is a square, x square a square x square a square. Okay, so I'm going to write in this format. It means first I'm going to write this x square plus 4x plus 6. In your textbook what they're doing here, adding one number that directly, so I don't know how it is getting. Okay, so there is a one problem, so better I'm going to write, there is a one simple formula I'm going to providing here, that is last term formula. Last term is equals to middle term whole square divided by 4 into first term. Okay, so middle term, what is the middle term? Middle coefficient of the x, what is the middle coefficient? 4, so 4 square divided by 4 into first term coefficient is 1, so right here 1. 4 square answer is 16 divided by 4 into 1 4, 4 ones are 4 4s, so 4 is the answer. So in this case I'm going to write this result x square plus 4x. Carefully observe students, here is the, I get last term, no, that I'm going to write first plus 4, after that minus 4, and one more result will be there plus 6. Whenever I'm going to cancel this plus 4 and minus 4, again my equation will be same as it is. Okay, so why I'm going to add and subtract this part, it means I'm going to take the bracket on these three starting results. Okay, here I get this x plus 2 whole square, it means a plus b whole square formula. Okay, students, you just observe a plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So there is a formula, and then 6 minus 4. So simplify these two results. 6 minus 4, it means plus 2 is the answer. So now we get this answer. So we are going to apply in the question. Okay, so what is the question here? Integration of square root of what is the result? X plus 2 whole square, again square root continue, plus 2 is, so 2 can I write here square root of whole square, then only it is a perfect square, students. Okay, so now we are going to apply x square plus a square. So x square plus a square, it means integration of x square plus a square. There is a second formula, observe here. Here x square plus a square, so write it as it is. Okay, apply it now. In x place x plus 2, a in the place you need to take root 2. Okay, x, it means x plus 2 divided by 2. Here it is a question, write it as it is only. X square plus 4x plus 6, then plus a it means root 2 whole square, a square divided by 2 is the formula. I'm going to write it now. Then log of again x in the place x plus 2, then plus square root of here again question only you need to write, repeat, x square plus 4x plus 6 plus c. Okay, just you can write one more time, rearrangement, x plus 2 divided by 2 square root of x square plus 4x plus 6. Square root to square cancel, again here 2 also get cancelled, friends. Okay, just 2 is the answer. Square root to square cancel, 2 again get cancelled. There is nothing will be remaining, just 1 only. So write it as it is, x plus 2 root of x square plus 4x plus 6 plus c. Okay, so this is the last answer, simple. So when you do this result perfectly, then answer is very simple, and you also know that formula, main important formula, students. Okay, so is it clear? If you have any doubt, just message me in the comment box, friends. Next question. Okay, again we get the same type of question. So first we need to simplify x square plus 4x plus 1. So applying the last term formula, middle term whole square divided by 4 into first term. One second. 4 into first term. Okay, middle term 4 square divided by 4 into 1. Again same result, 4 is the answer. Okay, so again now we are going to add or subtract. X square plus 4x, first 4x plus 4 minus 4 plus 1. Now observing this result, x plus 2 whole square. So it is a plus b whole square formula. You can, how we are going to write this directly? It means applying the square root of first term and last term. So square root of x square x, square root of 4 2. Okay, so now you need to understand. And then minus 4 plus 1. So this result will be minus 3, students. Okay, so now you get the result. So apply in the question, integration of square root of x plus 2 whole square, and this is the not the perfect square, it means take it to square root and square. Then apply again x square minus a square. Now in the previous question I'm applying the x square plus a square. This is the result, just x square minus a square. The first formula, what is the first formula, friends? X plus 2 divided by 2, and here it is a question, repeat again as it is, x square plus 4x plus 1. Here it is a minus sign, so now you need to understand properly. Again a is in the place, root 3 square, it means just root 3 I'm going to write here, divided by 2 log of mod of x plus, again here it is a question, x square plus 4x plus 1 plus c over. So this is actually, it is x plus 2 is extra part, differentiate x plus 2, the answer is 1 only, friends. So write it as it is. Okay, so again it is the same type of example. Okay, now here it is a very important result. So now carefully I'm going to observe, friends. Whenever I'm going to apply last term formula, there is a x value is negative, so better I'm going to take, what is the result, 1 minus 4x minus x square, no? So whenever you are going to applying last term formula I'm given, no? So you need to take x square must be positive, then only it is applicable. Okay, so that's why I'm going to take minus common factor entire results. All the minus results will be plus, plus result will be minus. Okay, so right here x square plus 4x in minus 1. Okay, so now again multiply this minus, will we get the same answer. Okay, so now apply the last term formula. Middle term, what is the middle term? 4 square, again 4 into 1, so 4 get cancelled, 4 is the answer again. So write it as it is, minus, here it is a x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 4 minus 1. So again I'm going to consider this result, friends. Observe here, x plus 2 whole square, minus 4 and minus 1, minus 4 and minus 1 nothing but it is a minus 5. Okay, so carefully need to apply the bracket. This now I'm going to multiplying this minus on both the sides. So this minus as it is right here, x plus 2 whole square, then minus and this minus minus plus. So I'm going to write here starting. Now it is a plus, no, minus minus plus, so it is minus as it. Now we get this is the final result. Paste it in question. Okay, so what is the result finally? Integration of square root of 5 minus x plus 2 whole square dx. So this again, this is not a perfect square, take it a root and square. Now a square minus x square, a square minus x square, there is a formula sine inverse, so apply it now properly. What is the formula? X in the place, x plus 2 divided by 2. Here it is a question, write it as it is, friends. So don't write the remaining result. 1 minus 4x minus x square, then remaining result plus a square, a in the place, root 5, a square is the formula, so root 5 cancel, just 5 is the answer, 5 by 2. Here it is the result, sine inverse of x in the place, x plus 2 divided by, what is the a? Root 5, right here, root 5 plus c over, this is the last answer. Yes, so now all of you getting clear, friends? Yes, so here you need to observe carefully this, what is the formula? A square minus x square, or x square minus a square, or x square plus a square over. Okay, so let's go to the next one question. Okay, so here is the one more question. Again it is also same simple. Okay, what is your x square plus 4x minus 5, applying last term formula, 4 square, so all the results are 4 only, 4 square dividing by 4, 4 cancel, 4 only, x square plus 4 minus 4 minus 5, applying these three results, x plus 2 whole square minus 5 minus 5, 4 nothing but minus 9. Is that correct? Yes. So now I'm going to paste in the question, friends. So this is the result, friends. Now it is clear, minus 4 minus 5 minus 9, so paste it in the question. Square root of x plus 2 whole square, can I write this 9 as a 3 square? Yeah, x square minus a square. So again it is a first formula, apply here, x in the place, x plus 2 divided by 2, again here question only, write it here, x square plus 4x plus minus 5, then minus a, what is the a answer? 3, friends. 3 square answer is 9 divided by 2. Okay, carefully need to observe, there is no root here. Then log of mod of x plus 2 plus root of, this is the x value, and root of, again question, x square plus 4x and minus 5 plus c. That's all, over. Okay, so if you need nothing, there is no simplification, so this is the final answer, friends. Okay, so if you have any doubt, just message me in the comment box. Okay, so let us move on the next question, 7th one. Okay, again we get the negative result, so first write it, 1 plus 3x minus x square. So now I'm going to applying the last term formula, middle term. Now there is a one new number, Up to now same answers we getting. Now it is a different result. 4 into first term. Middle term is 3. 3 square dividing by 4 into first term is 1. So first we need to take minus common factor, students. Minus, I'm going to take common factor. It means this is the x square and here minus 3x minus 1. So now I'm going to apply. You need to remember this result. Okay, last term is equals to middle sum minus 3 square. It means again it is a plus 9 only. 4 into 1, it means 4 only. So 9 by 4 you get this result. Friends, you need to remember this result. Can I write here whole square? 3 by 2 whole square. So now observe this square you need to apply. It means 3 square answer is 9, 2 square answer is 4. Okay, so now add this in the equation here, minus as it is x square minus 3x. Now I'm going to add this 3 by 2 whole square. It is not necessary directly, also you can write here 9 by 4. It is not the problem. 9 by 4 plus and 9 by 4 minus, and what is the one more result here? Minus 1. So write it now. Okay, so now I'm going to consider these starting three results. So what is it? Square root of x square is x. Square root of this, there is a one changes when the middle sign is minus, so right here minus. This is the changes. So a plus b or a minus b, what is the difference? A plus b whole square formula is a square plus b square plus a square plus 2ab, and a minus b whole square formula a square plus b square minus 2ab. There is a minus sign, so here it is a minus means now I'm going to write here minus, and square root of 9 3 and square root of 4 2. Now it is whole square. Now apply students a minus b whole square formula, you get the same answer. Okay, so now this step is clear. And what is the remaining here? I'm going to take minus common factor. Then what are the remaining part? 9 by 4 plus 1. Take LCM 4 plus 9, it means 13 by 2. Still there is a bracket outside, there is a minus sign. Okay, so now simplify this. Complete part is 13 by 4. 4 is the LCM, 4 plus 9 9. 13 by 4 is, so I'm going to multiply this minus on this result, means minus minus plus. So I'm going to write first 13 by 4 plus, and this is the minus sign, minus of x minus 3 by 2 whole square. So here it is the final answer. This is the simplification. 4 is the LCM. Okay, so now I'm going to take the root and as well as integration also. Integration dx. So now tell me what is the formula. Here it is 13 by 4. It is not a perfect square, so make it perfect. It means, so what we need to do, 13 by 4, no? Okay, so carefully you need to observe. I'm going to write a root 13 and divide by 2 whole square. Is that correct? Square, you apply the square root, square and square root get cancelled. 13 is the answer. 2 square answer is again 4, so it will be match. Okay, now a answer is 13 by 4. Okay, apply. What is the formula? X minus 3 by 2 divided by 2. This is your x answer. Okay, then square root of, again here it is a question, so better write the question as it is. 1 plus 3x minus x square. Here it is a plus. A value, what is a value? This is the completely a value. Taking square, because a square divided by 2, no? So taking square, it means this is the answer, 13 by 4. I'm going to write here 13 divided by 4, and already there is a one formula 2. A square divided by 2, no? So I'm going to write here, and then sine inverse of x by a. X, what is the x here? X minus 3 by 2 divided by a is root 13 divided by 2. This is only a plus c. Okay, so now just a small simplification will be there. So I'm going to take 2 LCM, friends. So it means what is the answer here? 2x minus 3, and this 2 multiplied, it is a 4 over, and here write it as it is, question only, and then plus 4 into 2 8, so 13 by 8 answer. And again here it is a sine inverse. Again you take 2 LCM. This answer is 2x minus 3, and here also root 13, friends. Both the LCMs are get cancelled. So observe here also 2, and here I'm going to take 2 LCM. Both the results are get cancelled. This is the final answer. Okay, so once again you just check it now, these answers. Okay, so we'll move on next question, friends. And the next one is eighth one. This is also very simple. Again, there is no last term. It means you need to write as it is. Last term formula 3 square is divided by 4. Again, this is also 9 by 4 only. Add this as it is, 3x plus 9 by 4 minus 9 by 4. So comparing this bracket, right here x plus 3 by 2 whole square. It is as it is only. So now applying in this question, integration of square root of x plus 3 by 2 whole square. Can I write this 3 by 2 whole square, friends? Again, you get the x square minus a square formula. It means first formula. Apply it here. X in the place. X plus 3 by 2 divided by 2. Here it is a question. Repeat it here. What is the question? X square plus 3x. So it is now need to write this complete simplification. Again, it will be after simplifying this part, you get the question only. So just write here question only. Then there is a minus sign. It is very important. When you get this minus sign, you write here minus. Okay. Then a square divided by 2. What is the a here? Friends? 3 divided by 2 square. So it is a 9 by 4 into formula. Again one more 2. Write it now. And then log of mod of x. What is x? X plus 3 by 2. Then plus square root of again here question. X square plus 3x plus c. So if you need it, then going simplify 2 taking LCM. It means this. What is the answer, friends? 2x plus 3. 2 into 2 4. Here it is a question x square plus 3x minus 9 by 8. 4 into 2 8. Log of mod of. Again you take here LCM. It means 2x plus 3 divided by 2 plus square root of x square plus 3x plus c. That is a simple question. Okay. So all of you got understand this result? Yes. Move on the next one question. Okay, so again there is a one more simple question. It is a last question. So I'm going to take, students, there is a simplification. I'm going to take 9 as a LCM. There is no number, it means 1. So you write 9 plus x square dx. So I'm going to shift outside the root. It means there is a 1 by 3. Square root of 9, what is the answer? 3, no? So I'm going to take outside because it is a constant. What is the remaining answer? 9 plus x square dx. So 9 also you can write here 3 square only. This result I'm going to write 3 square. Okay. Then apply a square plus x square. It means there is a second formula, x square plus a square. Okay. So what is the answer? X divided by 2. Here it is a question. So what is the question? You don't write that part because already you take outside. No. Now this is your part. 9 plus x square. Then plus a result divided by 2 log of mod of x plus square root of 9 plus x square plus c over. If you require, it means 3 also 1 by 3 also multiply that complete entire part. Okay, friends, is it clear? So all of you got understand these all the 9 examples. Just message me in the comment box yes. Okay, so message me in the comment box if you have got understand all the examples. So again 2 MCQ examples also there. So let's observe these all the examples. Here again there is a simple question. Integration of 1 plus x square. 1 it means you can write 1 square. Just I'm going to apply that same formula. 1 it means what is the result? X divided by 2. Here write 1 plus x square. Plus it means plus only 1 square answer 1 by 2 log of mod of x plus root of 1 plus x square. This is the answer. Now you go and search where it is. First answer only 1 by 2 x. Okay, so first option is the right answer. Yes, now it is clear. Yes, simple result direct. If you know the formula, then you can write very easily and correctly. So main important question will be repeated in this place and this place, and remaining part as it is x by 2 a square by 2 log, otherwise sine inverse. Okay, this is the difference. Now and the last example of this exercise. Okay, so here also what is the result? X square minus 8x plus 7. Applying first last term formula. What is the last term? 8 square. 8 square is nothing but 64 divided by 4. 4 1s are, yes, 4 1s are 2, 24 4 6 16 into 4, 64 is the answer. No, yes, 16 you get the result. So now add this x square minus 8x plus 16 minus 16 plus 7. Then you take the bracket here, then apply square root of this. There is a minus sign, right? Minus square root of 16. What is the answer, friends? 4 right here, 4 minus 16 plus 7. 9 is the answer. Okay, minus 9 is the answer, friends. Check it now. Yes, 9 plus 17, correct. So now you need to paste in the question. Integration of square root of x minus 4 whole square minus 9, it means right here 3 square dx, x square minus a square. So first formula, apply it now. X minus 4 dividing by 2. Okay, here it is a question again. What is the question? X square minus 8x plus 7. Then there is a minus sign. So many answers are there, minus will be changed. So carefully you need to observe. Here you get the minus sign, means write it minus. Okay. The next case, minus, after that a square. A is what? 3. 3 square answer 9. 9 divided by 2. Then log of mod of x minus 4 plus square root of, again here it is a question, x square minus 8x plus 7 plus c. This is the last answer. Now go and check it now. Which option is correct, friends? X minus 4. So x minus 4, it means this is the wrong answer first. Again here you get the same result, 9 by 2. So here is, this is also wrong. Here you get the 3, this is also wrong. Now here observe, minus 9 by 2 log of x minus 4 plus, it means option D is the 100% correct answer. Okay. Yes, friends. So now I'm going to complete this, all the examples in 7.7, each examples, and with derivations also over. If you have any doubts, comment me in the comment box. Okay. So otherwise all of you get understanding, type me in the comment box as we'll see you on the tomorrow class at same time, 8 p.m. live class. Thank you, friends.